Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that holds significance in the field of Mexican cuisine. Let's break down this word to better understand its meaning and pronunciation. In British accent, we may pronounce it as menudo, menudo, new, do, menudo, while in American accent, we may pronounce it as menudo, menudo, new, do, menudo. You can check out other videos for more. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share more words you'd like us to pronounce in the comments below. See you next time.